The final design is intended to communicate that this tool is different and rugged. The design leverages the best conventions of current smartphones, but it packages them in a way that balances technology and ruggedness. The primary interface, the touchscreen display, does not run edge to edge. This allows the main housing, shown in yellow, to protect the technology. The surface changes on the back side of this housing also add rigidity while creating a distinctive look. The roll cage, shown in black, is shock mounted with rubber gaskets, protecting the device in the event that it is dropped. The device includes a stud finder, laser measurement, laser leveling, a digital bubble level, a digital contractor's calculator, some speed square functions in digital form, and it can be part of a DeWalt online ecosystem designed to aid construction professionals and DIY users with planning and managing projects. The speaker is visually emphasized and is louder because of the likelihood of noise on the worksite, and the volume controls on either side of the speaker allow quick, intuitive adjustments. The roll cage includes a nail notch on the backside for hanging the phone and a centering detail. It is both self-standing and has an attachment point for a stand. The overall size is intended to balance large screen size with pocketability.